right turn, left turn, angel, 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 big angel back behind the head. Angel, 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 big angel back behind the head. Angel, 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 big angel back behind the head. And one more time, angel, 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 big angel back behind the head. Thread the needle in front, back to butterfly. Let's start in side opposite left on the right side. And let's do the 2-petal flower. And 2, and 3, and 4. We're going to come back into the overhand butterfly, turn the full 360, then 90 degrees more than the 2-petal flower 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do the right turn to the butterfly, do the 360, come around to the front, double stall out, come into underhand butterfly, then the grand. 2, 3, 4, front. Top, Y, inverted Y, I. Top, Y, low Y, I, and again, back to front, drop stall, counterclockwise corkscrew, turning to the left, and turning to the right, plane shifted up to pinwheel, and chase the sun, and we're going to come up over the top, wrap the poi into the buzzsaw, and then we're going to release the poi into the giant, and then come into the weave. Turn right to underhand weave, and open it up, come over the top again, come over the top, double stall between your legs, sweep over and chase the sun clockwise, 2, and 3, and 4. We're going to come up over the top, wrap the poi, and then we're going to release to giant. So this is one of those size matters moments, and then come into overhand weave, and then open it up, stall the right poi between the leg, overhand butterfly, turn left 90 degrees, 2-petal flower, now swivel. Second swivel, third swivel, and fourth swivel. Come into overhand butterfly, right turn 360, turn the extra 90 degrees. Okay, 2-petal flower. And now we're going to do the swivel. Second swivel, third swivel, fourth swivel. And come into overhand butterfly in the front, turn left, 360, back to butterfly, double stall out, up to the grand, 3, 4, front. Top, Y, inverted Y, I, front. Top, Y, inverted Y, front. And top, Y, inverted Y, and front. Top, Y, Y, I, front. Repeat it again, 4 more times, 3 more times, 2 more times, and last time. Now this time when you get to the front, drop stall, and we're going to do a clockwise corkscrew, turn to the right with it, and turn to the left with it, and then we're going to plane shift it up, come down into overhand weave, open it up to giant, back to weave, left turn 360, turn left to underhand weave, open it up to giant, come back into underhand weave, right turn 360, and underhand giant again, underhand weave, turn right to pinwheel, turn right to overhand weave, step and turn to counterclockwise pinwheel, away from me, turn right to underhand weave, and sweep up, open it up, sweep up over the top, wrap into buzzsaw, and make your nice ending pose. Woo!